with the butterfly cheeks, them. Lord! No, sir.
Get a chip. You want to turn out of med bricks. Me no afraid of more economy of it.
Money. Whoa! See, it get little emptier people. It get little emptier. The NC get little emptier. But you know, so the girls will look forward, you know, so if we go back again, just see them. We love woman bad. I truly didn't even know that. We love woman till it look bad. Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Straight out. Wait. AKA the reaction boss. Straight out of Jamaica. Now we hear it. Gold God, big money. First of all, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. Second of all, I want to say thank you to all of them entertainers here, them artists from Jamaica for post so much music videos, so much songs a week. Like, yo, who don't go to that? I mean, just there with the reaction, them say so bam. Because I quit like that. People for the most lit reactions them on YouTube, subscribe to the channel right now. See, if you're not subscribed to the channel, yo, you miss out on the most lit reactions and the most excitement them over here. So, like, me not lie to go up on the channel and go scroll through and see. I'll be a little over here, so nice. Yo, people, subscribe to the channel and the road to 10,000 subscribers. So please help me reach 10,000 subscribers. If you're not subscribed, man, trust me, man, yeah, miss out. Right now, so I got for Gold God. That one name Big Money official video. People want to say go get a half back like NSC, they could quarter back like NSC again. That's all we're looking for today. You understand me? Make us see what I go on. Big money. Run through. Splittings Boss Records. Big up yourself.
What one for this? Where you get this from?
Easy Wax Film.
Who make you get this? Brother, tell you that.
Oh God. Movie we are watching now. I am not one person who talks during the movie. Right now, this is a movie we are going right there, so. I look like say, you know when it's came and them have a little paper the list and name when them can call and stay. We know the chap in Jamaica, we know the chap in. You see me I say, yo, me an artist, brother.
What you mean now what is? What you mean? Look where I'm going here, so. Look where I'm going. Where you find it?
Big money. Hey, wait. We see the NSC place in the back. We see the NSC. Hey, we see the NSC. We did make already. Cause the NSC back there. Run through now.
Yo, Splints. You know about this guy, you know who get to work in a brand
Def? Yeah, know them RS Gold God dog. What them RS the boss for? What them put the boss in that cups for? But I be money there on the boss, because so I go on.
You know the bodies come down, watch out. Get the phone, get the chip. You want to turn.
Gold God, you find woman dog. Remember last music video reacted to Gold God, where they are now? And the man the king, get the man having a bed, I'll go up and think, you know, I see woman with big sexes for whoa. Whoa, with the butterfly cheeks, them. Lord! No, sir.
Get a chip. You want to turn out of med bricks. Me no afraid of more economy of it.
Money. Whoa, see, it get little emptier people. It get little emptier. The NC get little emptier. But you know, so the girls will look forward, you know, so if we go back again, just see them. We love woman bad. I truly didn't even know that. We love woman till it look bad.
Afraid of more economy of it, take the risk. I have to big up the soldier and the bad police.
Big up the soldier man, the bad police will allow the man to do the scam. Instead the man must give them a book. Boom, all that 5 grand and go and eat yourself. You see me I say, but me see the girl them no dark. Go on.
Chop a line, don't care, you work it. Them ask me why me chop so hard and if you worth it. Oh,
that's say no say rich. John shop. I want to go on the John shop. I want to go on the Clive shop. I want what my word, my story, my sentence. But people, I said no serious now wake up girl with money in a dog. Girl in the house asleep in a such a $2,000 bill on them so. I said no serious in a dog. Watch your style here.
I know easier skirt.
Boom! Well that's fun. Wake up baby.
See the phone here, more can you can't search it. Nothing.
You know what I mean? They can't get no chase cause the man scamming thing different. He not get the banger phone because he knows that the banger phone no use and scam. You see me as a police, you don't learn that yet. And the banger phone no use and do that. But dog. You see, no, the girl let me go back and look at it again, because you know the girl let me there for. Yeah, that's sick.
See the car like she see green or dance.
We a copy of blood clean. We have money to give.
You can't search it. Nothing no there.
Nothing there than that, dog. You mean? How this? Man have a girl a scam too. No. Man have girl with a scam too. No, dog. Alright, go on to show people. Wait. If you watch reaction right now, I don't like the video yet. Just like the video, please. And comment some fire emoji in the comment section. Like the video and comment some fire emoji in the comments. Look at me and sweat. Me at work. What? Run tune.
I'ma do it perfect. Bad man, me no clown like circus. Man, I get
what kind of old man? Why? Because if say what kind of old man why you not go another video a while ago? No kind of move like some old foot, you know. I may I say, we'll go back with one that one upon 8. Woman! Woman tell look bad, but look wait, before I go roll back, before I roll back in the video, watch one, watch look a black one over there, so pan the left side, watch out. Whoa! Well, I'm just go back, I'm gonna miss it. Gold gun mine, but hold on there. Let's see them there. Oh, some too hot, me a sweat, DJ, yeah, sweat. Bumbuckler, people, like the video, and please consider subscribing to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. You can't watch my reaction right now, you're not subscribed to the channel. Look at me, you me I talk to. Yes, you will not subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, I help me reach 10,000 subscribers. You see me? Me a sweat your fuck. Run tune.
Man, me no clown like circus. Man, I get pussy daily, some wine worthless.
Bumbo nah, meds the lyrics. The man say, yo, me no clown like circus. Man, I get the pumps daily. Some boy worthless. Bumbo click, gold god. You know if you style them up, so you know if you carve them up, so dog, run tune though.
Money, young son of rich badness dummy. Some big up every bad man police, I'm a blood.
Yeah, guys, the rich badness dummy. You know you seem just this family a while ago. No man, me I see blind. Well, me I hear wrong. You guys said the what?
Young son of rich badness dummy. Some big up every.
Me no know. Me not assume no. Me not say no. Me just think about it. You know, some of my opinion of people. Me know what go on nice song. As one can't say me not mess the lyrics them yet. Me I mess the girl them and this video. And the video me I react to. Run tune.
Bad man police, I'm a blood clot gunman friend, I'm a wallet. Big money.
That now fly past my face, sir. That now go fly past my face. Oh, no see that. Who can say where the road goes? Man, me a cry. Me love woman, but no dog. Me love woman. Me love woman is a shame. Yo, watch it something here, dog. Watch it something here, dog.
Said it's a badness dummy. So me big up every bad man police. I'm a big up
every. The tongue does more a while ago. I don't want to scam fear, man. I even love woman and a shame, dog.
Blood clot gunman a wallet. My hide out on a work. 24 hours up on the line, you were there.
24 hours, man, them a chop. 24 hours, the man, them a scam. People that don't watch the full video without my pausing, you know, some pause if you don't get black and copyright. You don't know, say link there in the description. But, dog, me I think about it, dog. I love one, but, yo, any man that watch a video and don't love woman, dog, you need a change of heart. You understand me? You need a change. Yo, channel star, woman. Too hot, dog. People like the video again. Comment some more fire emoji. Yo, dog. You know, look woman emoji in the emoji section, dog. Just comment like a female emoji, dog. You know. Love woman is a shit. But one thing about the song, though, right, June?
Me ever up on the alert on a big 4-5 on my rib side. What the password? Money I spend $1 million jerk.
Rich boss, I go through the video. You don't know so to make a long video again. You know the choppings, you know.
Big money. Your sister that's a badness dummy.
John.
So big up every bad
man. So him catch it. So one police come catch your gold card. One bumbuckler police, dog. No, dog. One police alone just running in your place, dog, and come hold us, dog. One. Shut up, no, dog. Sure. One police, dog. Come in and green at the house and just take where you and your wallet again. Go and do it.
One police, I'm a big up every blood clot gunman a wallet.
Bumbo now, the man run up the girl, he come like a girl in her breast. Boom! You know what, them breast up to that. Watch out.
Be worth it.
Catch gold card.
I know easy and skirtless. See the car like she see greener than Cersei.
Hey! Me see her a while ago. Oh, she there? Hey! This is a man back home for the
don't care, don't work it. Them ask me why me chop
can't search. See her there? Why? Hey, me see them girl outside. No, dog, we're not lying, man. If I'm lying, I'm dying, man. Go through video a little bit. You don't know what I make such a long video. Yeah! Stick! Bumbo now, police. Big up for bad man police. Police get chopped like catching a chop. You understand me? Money there. You have to just easy and hold a wine for one of them girls and take some money and easy yourself. If you can't arrest gold got the chopper boss. People. Yes, I left from the reaction and that. Comment on my video if much you get a song out of 10, you understand me. That's saying you have a chop. It's a 10 that's saying you get a big one buckler song. These people like the video if you don't like the video yet. If you made it to the end of the video and don't subscribe yet, like, please consider subscribing to the Reaction Boss channel as you can see the boss out here walk. You see me I say, man, I'm a sweat dog. You see me I say, but guess what? I'm out.